open box video of the receipt printer for your Ovvi POS system. Gonna go ahead and open the box. Right on the top, you're gonna have the instruction manual. You're also gonna have different types of cables, depending on the type of configuration that you're trying to do. If you're doing it yourself, I recommend that you read the manual. It's pretty self-explanatory, but if you're a busy supermarket owner or restaurant owner and you don't wanna do it yourself, you can always get in contact with Direct Processing Network so that we can help you set up your system, as we're one of the Ovvi dealers that are experts at the system. You can always give us a call or send us an email and we'll be glad to help you. It's important to mention that the Ovvi POS system is shipping nationwide, so no matter where you are, we can set you up. So going back to the video, the cables that I'm gonna get for this video, I'm only gonna use the power cord and this USB. That is the one that connects the printer with the POS screen. Continuing with the open box, this is what comes inside. You have this little serial cable as well. And then once you take this plastic off, here's the printer. There's still a few things that come inside the box. There's the remaining part of the power cord, as well as a little sample paper. So the first thing you're gonna wanna do is undo this, take it out of the box and of this plastic bag. Once you have it like this, we can start the assembling of the cable. Go ahead and undo the power cord right here. As you can see. Okay. Then you can undo the next one. And similar to like a laptop charger that has two pieces, go ahead and connect them together. Then this section here, similar to what we were seeing in the other video, the circular connection, just like in the POS, connects to the printer. Then you can go ahead and connect it to power. And at this point, the only thing that I could do to get ahead of it is connect the little USB cable. You're gonna see that there's one that looks like a USB and this other one that is used in commercial printers and just regular printers. So this is the one that I'm gonna put in the printer like this. Okay, that is done. Now I can flip it, and in a future video I'm gonna show you how to connect these to the actual POS. Here, pulling this little door, you'll be able to open the printer itself. There's like a few little pieces of paper that you wanna take out. Here, I can grab the sample paper that it brought. I can go ahead and turn it on at this point. You're gonna see the power button come on. Put the paper, rip it off, and your printer is ready to be connected to the POS system. If you would like to watch more videos like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave me any comments below with anything you would like to watch in the future. Thank you.